So over here, you can see that I have a shape right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and delete off these edges so that the object right here is smoothened out. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the eraser tool and then erase this. But once you erase it, you can see that it actually goes ahead and erases out the faces as well. But I just want to go ahead and erase the edges or hide it. In that case, let me just press Ctrl Z right here to get back the face. Over here on the bottom, you can see the Control and Alt toggles. So if I were to hold Control on my keyboard, then I can simply draw over the edges, and you can see that I can go ahead and smoothen it out just like this. So you can see that this is what you have now. So here what is happening is that the edges are just being hidden. It's actually not deleted. So you can go around over here onto view and see the hidden geometry, and then you will be able to see those geometry right here, which is dotted lines. So let me just go around over here onto view and then uncheck the hidden geometry right here. So what you can do now is go ahead and you can see the other toggle information right here, just like this, which is Alt. So let me just hold Alt, and then you can actually see those lines right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and erase out the edges only by keeping out the faces inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.